Alright guys, welcome to your second XHTML tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you more how to use the body tag. So, like, we looked at the title, but now we're going to look more at the body because that's where the most of the information that's where all your information is going to be shown through your website. So let's go ahead and type something. Let's say, hi, how are you, or something. Doesn't matter. So when we run this in whatever you want. I like Chrome. Oh, I didn't save it. Make sure you save it. If you don't save it, it won't work. And refresh. There you go. You see that this is now in the body, but that doesn't necessarily look too nice. But we'll look more at making it look nicer later. So that's how you can type inside the body. This text, however, is extremely small. Like if you look back the way you normally would look, how you're looking probably right now, that is really small to read. So let's go ahead and see if we can change that. So I'm going to give myself some space just so I can stay organized. Um, so one of the tags that can go inside the body is the header tag. So one of the header tags is H1. And then you would have to put your closing tag on the other side. All the text in between the H1 and the closing header, backslash H1, is going to be the head, kind of like a header, not this type of header, but it's going to be like a title to your website inside the body. So let's go and refresh this and see what happened. Oh, I got save, sorry. Save, refresh. See, it gets a lot bigger. So that's kind of how it's a title. Now there's more than just H1. There is H2. And what does H2 do before we get started? H2 is a different size of text. H1 is the biggest type of text. H2 is the second biggest type of text in the header. Now this goes on and on to H6, which is the smallest type. So let's say, how was your day? And close. Now it's got to be, the closing tag's got to be H2 as well. So let's see how this is smaller, and just get the point across. I'll show you H3. I don't know, what did you have for lunch? And this one, same thing, close header 3. Got save and refresh. And this is even smaller. So this is the first size of the header, or title, whatever you like to call it. This is the second size, and this here is the third size. Now that's really neat for making titles and such. So let's get rid of H3 and 2. Let's say you wanted to write something about how you were. So one way is to create a paragraph. Now, how would you create a paragraph? You can't just go and type along, because let's save this. It looks like it's all nice and everything. Well, not really, but you know. But we wouldn't be able to change this in any way. If we wanted to get an indent, or we wanted to shift it all to the right, or if we wanted to change it around, it wouldn't look nice. And there's a little space in between. So let's go ahead and create a paragraph tag. Now the paragraph tag is simply P. So there's our open paragraph. At the end, we're going to do slash paragraph. And all this silly words, let's just get rid of that. So, how are you? How am I feeling today? I have a bit of a sore throat. I went to school, which was not fun. But overall, I'm feeling pretty happy. Alright, so that's alright for now. So let's go ahead and save that. And let's see. So this is our paragraph right here. It doesn't look much different, but once you get into CSS, you can change it by putting indents and stuff like that, and you can add different attributes and everything. So that's how you would make a paragraph. Now let's see if we copy, paste, save. It goes, it comes down. It doesn't go all the way across. It comes here and starts over here. So that's how you can use the paragraph. And also, when you're gonna do another paragraph, let's go all the way back. So let's start another paragraph and say, oh yeah, save that. It automatically leaves a space in between here. But if we did not put this paragraph tag there, so let's just I'm just gonna get rid of that paragraph tag. Save. Oh, never mind. I guess it kind of just, yeah. Probably because this is paragraph 2, it probably leaves space, but let's try, oh yeah, that's cool. See, it doesn't go down to here, but when we start a new paragraph, it automatically goes down 2 spaces. Now you might be thinking, why this came here, this was here, this started here, instead of, like we had in Notepad, or the XHTML document, we had it written below. But when we go into Chrome, it's obviously up here. That's because XHTML is white space insensitive. So I can add as many space in between here as I want, but it won't do anything because XHTML is white space insensitive. I can also space this out as much as I want, and it won't do anything because, again, XHTML is white space insensitive. So that's all for your second XHTML tutorial. Stay tuned for the next tutorial where I will show you how you can get this down to the next line. Thank you.